In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay with Cash App. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You don't need to install any special or extra apps to do this. You just need to make sure you have the latest version of Cash App on your phone and that you are signed into and verified within Afterpay. Open up Cash App on your phone and tap on the Discover icon or the magnifying glass that you can find at the Home tab or the home screen. In the Discover tab, you should be able to see the Afterpay Merchant Carousel to open up the Afterpay Shop Hub. Afterwards, from there, you can simply look through the listings on Afterpay and check which store you want to use Afterpay plus Cash App on. Regardless of which option you choose, as long as it's listed there and you are signed in and verified, you will be able to use Afterpay for any purchases you make. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay with Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.